It's been a long week, can't believe it's only Tuesday. Can't wait to get out on the town and dance the night away. Yeah, I love that whiskey straight. I call the girls and ask them what they're getting up to. Count down to Friday at the bar and we'll kick off our blues. No, it ain't nothing new. Come on, leave your keys at home, you don't need your phone. Yeah, you know that I'll be where the crowd rolls, where the wine flows and the music's loud. That's where you can find me when everyone says howdy. It's a little rowdy, yeah, it's going down in my stomping ground. Bartender knows our poison, pours it when we walk in. Takes three to loosen up before we're getting lost in line. We're shutting down the night. We're getting talking with the moves that we'll be making. We're all about that bass. We'll own this place. We're breaking hearts. Yeah, that's how it starts. Next thing I'm on the bar playing air guitar. Yeah, you know that I'll be where the crowd rolls, where the wine flows and the music's loud. That's where you can find me when everyone says howdy. It's a little rowdy, yeah, it's going down in my stomping ground. In my stomping ground. Come on, leave your keys at home, you don't need your phone. But we're going. What happens in the bar stays in the bar. Yeah, you know that I'll be where the crowd rolls, where the wine flows and the music's loud. That's where you can find me when everyone says howdy. A little rowdy, yeah, it's going down in my stomping ground. Hey, in my stomping ground. My stomping ground. My stomping ground. My stomping ground.
Let's learn Stomping Ground. It's choreographed by Amund, Storsveen and Thompson Szymanski. It is a 32 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with restarts on walls 1 and 5 after 24 counts and walls 4 and 8 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts and where they happen as well as the ending of the dance, and then we're going to go through and do 9 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Stomping Ground. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to stomp our right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a left sailor step with a stomp. So we're going to cross our left behind our right, step your right foot out to the right side, and then you're going to stomp your left foot to the left side. We're now going to cross our right behind our left, step your left foot to the left side, cross rock your right over your left, recover back onto your left foot, and then we're going to do a quarter shuffle, stepping our right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your stomp sailor step. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 half turning toe struts with hip bumps. So we're going to start by making a quarter turn over our right shoulder. As we touch our left toe to the left side, you're going to bump your hip left, right, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you bump your hip to the left and recover onto your left foot. We're now going to do that again with our right foot. So we're going to turn over our right shoulder, touching our right toe to the right side, bump your hip right, left, and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our left, do a quarter pivot over our right shoulder, putting our weight onto our right foot to face 6 o'clock. And then you're going to do a left crossing shuffle, crossing left over right, right side, left over right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our quarter shuffle. Weights on your right. You're doing your 2 half turning toe struts with hip bumps. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a big step to the right and drag our left toe into our right. We're now going to do a kickball cross, kicking that left foot forward and into the left diagonal. Step your left next to your right and cross your right over your left. We're now going to do a heel grind quarter turn. You're going to take your left heel, place it forward, putting your weight onto your left heel. You're going to rotate your toes from right to left, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder and recovering onto your right foot. We're now facing 3 o'clock and you're going to do a left coaster cross, stepping back with your left, step your right next to your left and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our crossing shuffle. You're facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do your big step to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover back onto our left. We're going to cross our right behind our left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, and as you do this, you want to slightly rotate your body. So as we rock, you want to rotate your body to the right, using this as a prep. And as you recover, you're going to allow that recover to put you into a full turning sailor step. So we're rocking with our twist, and as you recover, you're going to start opening your body to the left. We're now going to do a full turning sailor step. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left foot. You're now facing about 12 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, crossing your left over your right to face 3 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our coaster cross. You're going to do your rock and your weave. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you want to keep these steps nice and small and close together so that you can do that full turning sailor step and allow for your left to cross over your right. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're stomping to the right. It's stomp, sailor, stomp, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter shuffle, half toe strut, hip bump, half toe strut, hip bump, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, big slide, kickball, cross, heel grind, quarter turn with your coaster, cross, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, side rock, recover, full turning sailor with a cross. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're stomping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now that full turning sailor, if it feels like you're having some trouble with it, you want to kind of think like it's going to feel like you're doing a full turning triple, but you just want to make sure that you're doing that gradual turn using all 3 steps to do your turn, including your cross. Now, if you do not want to turn on the toe struts or on the sailor step, you can replace them with just forward moving toe struts with hip bumps when we do it. So you would start with your left, you would do left toe strut, right toe strut, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle. So you can leave out those turns on the toe struts. If you do not want to do that full turning sailor, you can just do a rock, recover, and a behind out cross, and then start the dance all over from there, leaving that full turn out and just doing a sailor with a cross. So now let's talk about the restarts. Your very first one is going to be after 24 counts on wall 1. Your rhythm or rotation of these restarts are going to be 24-16, 24-16. So on your odd walls, you're going to restart after 24 counts, and on your even walls, you're going to restart after 16 counts. So let's dance the 24 counts of wall 1 so that you know where that restart happens. We're stomping to the right, it's stomp, sailor stomp, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter shuffle, toe strut, hip bump, toe strut, hip bump, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, big drag, kick ball, cross heel, grind, quarter turn with your coaster, cross. Right here, you will restart the dance doing wall 2. You'll dance wall 2 all the way through, wall 3 all the way through, and when we get to wall 4, you're only going to dance 16 counts of the dance. How your restarts are going to happen is that they're also going to fluctuate between which wall you're restarting at. So it's either going to be facing 3 o'clock or facing 6 o'clock where your restarts will happen. So wall 4 will be your 9 o'clock facing wall. We're going to restart after 16 counts. So let's do 16 counts. It's stomp, stomp, sailor stomp, behind side cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle, half toe strut hip bump, half toe strut hip bump, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle. And then you will restart here for wall 5. Wall 5, you're going to dance the 24 counts like you did for wall 1, which will put you at 6 o'clock. You will then dance wall 6, wall 7, and then wall 8 will be your final restart wall where you will dance the 16 counts and then restart the dance. Before we go around, let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be a 12 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance the full 32 counts, which will put you at 3 o'clock. And it will be after your rock, recover, and your full turn sailor with a cross. All you're going to do is make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 12 o'clock, and that will be your ending. Other than that, you don't have to worry about anything extra for changing walls. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our stomp and sailor. This is our first restart wall. We're going to do 24 counts. Stomp, sailor, stomp, behind side cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle, turning hip bump, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, big drag, kick ball, cross heel, grind, quarter turn with your coaster, step, restart, full 32 counts. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 32 counts. Stomp, sailor, stomp, behind side cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle, turning hip bump, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, big drag, kick ball, cross heel, grind, quarter turn with your coaster, step, side rock, recover, behind side cross, side rock, recover, full sailor cross. We're going to dance 16 counts. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart. This is wall 5. You're going to dance 24 counts. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart. Stomp, sailor, stomp, behind side cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle, turning hip bump, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, big drag, kick ball, cross heel, grind, quarter turn with your coaster, cross side rock, recover, behind side cross side rock, recover, full sailor with a cross. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Final wall, 24 counts. Stomp, sailor, stomp, behind side cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle, toe strut, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, big drag, kick ball, cross heel, grind, quarter turn with your coaster, step, restart. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And from here, you'll dance the final walls coming to the front. That front wall will be your final wall, dancing the full 32 counts and making your quarter turn to face 12 o'clock after those 32 counts. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use a timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn stomping ground. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
It's been a long week, can't believe it's only Tuesday. Can't wait to get out on the town and dance the night away. Yeah, I know that place gets straight. I call the girls and ask them what they're getting up to. Count down to Friday at the bar and book a couple boots. No, it ain't nothing new. Come on, leave your keys at home, you don't need your phone. Yeah, you know.